You will need 1 pound of baby Yukon Gold potatoes. These petite beauties boast a buttery flavor and creamy texture, perfect for roasting. To ensure they cook evenly, we'll first boil them with 2 teaspoons of baking soda. This little trick helps soften the potato's skin, allowing for maximum crispiness later on. While the potatoes are getting tender, let's prepare the seasoning. Mix together 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning and oregano each, 1½ teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic pepper, 2 sprigs of rosemary, and 3 cloves of crushed garlic. The combination of these herbs and spices lends a flavorful punch to our potatoes. Once the potatoes are boiled and cooled slightly, it's time to toss them in our previously prepared seasoning mix. Make sure each potato is well coated. Now, spread these seasoned potatoes onto a baking sheet in a single layer. Pop them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees and let them roast for about 30 minutes. As they cook, they'll soak up all those wonderful flavors and transform into crispy golden nuggets of deliciousness. While the potatoes are doing their thing in the oven, we'll whip up a simple yet irresistible garlic butter sauce. Start by melting 3 tablespoons of butter in a small saucepan over low heat. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, cooking until fragrant. Remove from heat and stir in a teaspoon of parsley. This buttery, garlicky, slightly spicy sauce is the perfect companion for our oven-roasted potatoes. Whether you're serving them as a side for steak or chicken or enjoying them on their own, these oven-roasted potatoes are a true crowd pleaser. Enjoy! Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it if y'all would share my channel to your friends and family.